Sensus Access is an online tool that supports print-disabled students by converting documents such as PDFs and image-only files into fully accessible alternative formats. In this video, we'll demonstrate how. So here's an example of a file we'd like to convert, in this case, a PDF. Head to the digitisation webpage on the University intranet. Make sure that you read the copyright notice. If you are happy to proceed, select the file that you wish to convert. Now click on the Upload button. Now select the file format that you wish to convert to. In this instance, we're going to do an accessibility conversion. The software will then prompt you to select the type of file you require. In this case, we're going for a Word document. Now enter the email address that you would like your file to be sent to and click Submit. You will receive your file in about 10 minutes. If you require any further help with digitisation or using Sensus Access, please contact the digitisation team via our email at digitisation@contacts.bham.ac.uk.